All right, we're here with Roland Escobedo from Pancho and Lefty Steaks, world champion.
Yes, luckily, we were blessed that day, 2016, to win the world championship. It was pretty amazing. I can't thank God anymore for him letting us, have that happen to us that day. It was amazing. It's a life changer.
Good things happen to good people.
Yeah, I've worked long and hard, and when we first started cooking in '08 with my buddy's dad, Big Tim Canterbury, that's who got us started and everything. And to me, just trying to carry on what he taught us, it's such a great feeling. Great people, great family, and I just love that I'm able to still cook for him. And I know he was there with me last night.
So Big Tim, he was one of the guys I competed with, and one of the first guys I met cooking.
Right.
Did he share a tip with you when you started that may be able to help out someone new cooking in a backyard or in competition even?
Yeah, I mean, the biggest thing with Tim is do it because you love it. You love this sport and love getting out there and just competing. Us older guys, older fat guys or whatever, we want something to do, want something to compete in, and this is perfect, and really the biggest thing is just get out there and have fun. Don't just go sit in your trailer by yourself, and get out there and meet people. It's a family. We're a close-knit family, and just get out there and have fun. Don't beat yourself over the head if you get DAL. Just keep practicing, work hard. Find some good products that you really like yourself and kind of stick to them. Don't jump back and forth. Try to focus on a couple of rubs that you really like. Make them work for you. Don't try to do maybe what all these other people are doing. Try to make something work for you on whatever grill you're using, whatever charcoal you're using. Just make it all work for you, and don't just get out there and just bounce back and forth between all these different products out there. Just take your time and get out there and have fun, man. It's a great sport, and I always say, I can't imagine today not having the SCA and what Brett and Ken have done. It's amazing. It was desperately needed because back in the day the judging system was just crazy. So it's amazing. It's gone global. It's pretty awesome, and just go out there and have fun. That's really all I can say.
Awesome. Well, thank you. I appreciate your time, and
Anytime.
good luck today.
Thank you. We'll see what happens.
All right. Thanks, buddy.
You're welcome, man.